Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Here for Solana, we are also on the lookout if Solana could have already bottomed, and made the lowest low here already on the 13th and 14th of June. I can see that potentially, but for me, the likelihood is still higher that we will make one more lower low. In line with my expectation for Bitcoin that will do the same. For now, Solana did hold this important swing low that I mentioned before here at 30.86. Based on this, we can count this currently as a 1-2 and this as another 1-2. Solana now needs to move up here in a potential wave 3 and needs to break above the $40 level. That is what the bulls now need to do, and I can also tell you which price level needs to be reached to make the bullish scenario work. That is the $46.70 level, the 1.618 FIB extension. With that move, basically Solana now needs to move above this high at $40 and this high at 42.80, and these are two key resistance levels. Now Solana has done already a first good step. It moved above this yellow resistance level here, which is basically the 50-day moving average. Now the last time it was not able to move above that, and I think that happen today, because then it would be good to wait for the daily candle close if we can. But it looks like we moved above that and we retested it and could move higher from there. So this is looking good for now and looking promising. So it's starting to move up, but that is the next barrier that Solana needs to move above. We have also moved above this important $37 level. That was another key resistance level we needed to move above, so it is working. But these are the two big ones, $40 and $42.80, and then we can reach that target here for a wave 3. Now, looking at the subwaves here from the low, we have probably made a wave 1 to the upside, a 2 down, and we are now in that third wave to the upside. Okay, so this is what we are tracking, what we're looking out for. Could be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can also calculate the target for the yellow wave 3. That would be probably the first target we need to see here anyway. Maybe already reached, no, not yet. So that would be exactly here, well, just below that $40 level. So you can expect some resistance here. So that wave 3 will be somewhere here. Then there will be a wave 4 retracement down and a wave 5 to the upside. In the bullish scenario, this is what needs to happen to make the bullish scenario work. And this wave 5 will then have to be quite long, as it seems, or wave 3 will be longer. This is what we don't know yet. But there shouldn't be any further weakness to make the bullish scenario now work. Now, again, in the bearish one, as long as we have not broken above this 42.80 level, still downside very likely. And in fact, we need eventually to break above this 48.41 level that I mentioned to you before, where we really need to see that move above, because other than that, this could all still just be currently an A, B, C pattern here, where we will then come down in a 5-wave move once more. We will need to break above this 48.41 level to invalidate some of the bearish wave counts that are possible here, where we would assume that this was only a wave 3 low here, that we are now in a wave 4 still, and we are coming down in a wave 5. Now there are various possibilities. So for example, if we say this was a wave 3 low here, the swing low of around $25 or $26, $25.80, then there is one possibility that this here was a wave 4 to the upside, and we are now moving down here in a 1, 2, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down. If this is the case, this is another 1, 2, and we need to reverse down below $40, which means if we see now strong weakness below $40, that would rather go in line with this bearish wave count, which would still be my primary expectation. So a 1 down, a 2 up, and then 3 down, and this would be actually the wave count in which we currently are. Based on this, we've just done the 1 of the 3, the 2 of the 3, and we would be working on the 3 of the 3 next. That would be quite a bearish move down. This is one option. The other option is that if we see this as wave 3 down here, that wave 4, that we are still stuck in a wave 4. Maybe some kind of a more complex correction. However, even in this, we should not move above 42.87. So we'll see how this is playing out here. Therefore, very important to watch that $40 level. And so far it's moving higher, but this is exactly as I showed you what needs to happen for the bullish scenario. To make the bullish work as well, we definitely need to hold here the swing low at the new swing low here at $31.70. If we lose that, we'll probably also lose $30.85, and then we're not far away from making a new swing low anyway. Now, I think there will be another swing low in line with Bitcoin, but we need to allow for both options at the moment in this possible reversal space. Therefore, we're tracking the bullish scenario as well. And what is very important is that it would be good for Solana not to make another lower low, because, you know, the $30 level is the 88.7% FIB level, where we found support now a few times here, here, roughly. And we had a lot of area of trade here. But if you go below this level, as we did here, this is not good for a coin. Now, if you do this only briefly, that's not a problem. But if we make now a substantial drop below that level, it would make it harder for Solana to recover. The 88.7% FIB level is a critical level. Okay, and that is currently my view here about Solana. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership and make sure that you also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content there every day. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.